Hello there, my name's Kim McCarthy. I am learning how to make videos. I did make one video for my first online class in the spring, but by the time I finished the semester, I had forgotten. So something that I'm going to be doing, I hope, for my next online class is doing possibly a short video every week. So I want to continue to practice. I'm doing this from my desk. I did not own a webcam. This is my second attempt at doing this, and technology is challenging, but hopefully it will work well. I visited with Mike and Bob this week, and they gave me some guidance, so this is my video. I'm from West Hampton. I own some Subway stores. I began teaching at Harder Community last fall. I'm teaching entrepreneurship, and I'm beginning to get involved with the culinary program, doing, I hope in the future, some ServSafe training. I'm also working independently, doing some ServSafe training outside of the school. Thank you. I have 4 dogs. That's my video for today. Practice number 1.